everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have day 14 of my advent, and let's go ahead and get started. So here is day 14, and let's check it out. It's another small day, and it's a fudge. Let's see what it says. It says it's a star. And it says spot the stars, so there's the stars. And where is this? Oh, there's the star. Alright. So, day 14, Southern Skeins. Alright, and here is Southern Skeins. Very pretty. It's very pretty. Alright. And then we have Paw Ply Guys. Aha! We have a name. And day 14. Peachy Good Time. And that suits that just perfectly. And it's really funny how these two dyers don't know each other, but how they actually will go good together if you look real closely. They look like they would go good together. I find that kind of cool. So, oh, I forgot to tell you. Here's today's tea. Morning Tulsi. Mellow and refreshing. And today's ingredients are moringa 40%, green tea 25%, lemongrass 20%, black pepper 10%, and Tulsi 5%. Sounds good. Can't wait to give that a try. So, in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.